Okay, I've already hit this with about 120. Alright, now I'm going to go over this lightly with 140. 140 with 400. 140. Alright, with 400. And just kind of fine tune this, smooth it all out. Alright. Now, over here where it was real mucky, I went over it with the 120, and now I'm just kind of lightly going over it with this 400. Just smooth it out even further. Alright, you can kind of see in here, it's better. Alright, but this will just smooth it on out. Then I'll get to the staining. I will be staining this next. Alright. Okay, now this edge right here is really going to stand out, okay? So you really want to make that as nice, okay, because that's going to be the point of sight, alright? Okay, now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a really nice staining cloth. This is an old sweater, alright? You can use cotton balls as well, but this is a bigger job, alright? So I'm just going to lay this, and then for far as staining cloth, old t-shirts work really well, or socks, old socks. So we're just going to tie this up, alright, and create this staining rag. Okay, this is how you do it. Now you could use cotton balls in the middle as well. Alright. So bam, there it is. Staining rag. Staining sponge. A staining sponge.